Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Marzban from Marzban Family Chiropractic, Complete Injury Centers, talking to you from Carrollton, Texas. And today I'm going to be talking about what assumptions that patients should not have when they go to the doctor's office. It is very brief, presentation. So the first thing is that doctors, they don't have all the information out there, and that is known to men. And it is important that doctors should, have enough information, enough background, enough knowledge that they can do an intelligent diagnosis and give the plan for the treatments. And but again, not there's no doctor that has all the information out there, even in the area that they are expert at. And so, for that reason, if you go to different doctors, five different doctors for the same condition, you might get three different diagnoses. And out of those five, maybe they give you five different treatments. And so it is very important that the condition that you're presenting to the doctor's office, it is very complete, and you don't have any assumption that the doctor is going to be reading your mind, that what other issues that are concerned to your health. So you have to be open to it, and so you have a short window that doctor can ask you, questions, but it will be difficult to ask all the questions and that is related to you that might be important for the diagnosis and the treatment plan. So it is important that when you go to the doctor's office, on the form that they give it to you, they are so many different questions, and some more, some less, and but you read those and answer those questions carefully. It has happened that people that come into this office and they go for the neck pain, but they also had surgery of the lower back or some other issues, and that is important to write it down. And in our case, in this office, the issues that the patients they bring it to us with the muscle tightness, difficult with the range of motion, and those are all could be related to other things, like the injuries, basic, example, but also the nutrition and the mental stress could be also related to the issues that the patient has. So when some of the patients that come here, they all think there is the bone and the muscle, and nothing else can be the issue for their condition. So it is important when you have that form. Hopefully that form is in detail, that you can write up the things, the health issues, and or family history that you can include to that. And if there is no questions that you think is important on the page, you can add it in the form. And so when you are with the doctor, don't assume that you don't have the title to ask questions that they are concerned to you. And so just open up and ask related questions, appropriate questions, and that would be also helpful to the doctors, and that is going to make them to think about some of the sometimes patients, they come and ask very, very good questions, and that I might not have thought about it. And so in that case, it would help the doctor to do a better job for you. And again, as I said it, different doctors, different skills, different backgrounds, they might give you different options, and it is important for you that you need to provide information that could be helpful to the doctor, and even though you might not think that is important. And so, for example, I'm just going to give you an example, is that if you go to the cardio cardiologist, and if you have a skin issue, and you say, well, my skin may have nothing to do with the my heart, and it might. So it is important to include all the informations as much complete as possible and present it to the doctor. A good health is the best wealth, that is for sure, and this is coming from Marzban Family Chiropractic and Complete Injury Centers. And you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.